Hello everyone, welcome to another session on LearnPy. Okay, so today we'll learn to use some methods. So trying to do uppercase, finding the index value, replacing a string, and then searching for something in a string. Okay, so uppercase. So let's start with the uppercase. So let's say this hello world is in a small. That's has the uppercase here and then uppercase here, but we want to make all of them uppercase. Okay, so we have the method dot upper or upper, and then we have lower too. Okay, so if we print this out, okay, this particular line, okay, it's going to make this uppercase. So you can see here is uppercase, and then when we print the actual course, okay, we have hello world. Okay, so this dot upper actually makes it upper. Okay, and then uppercase, and then the normal expression for this print was here, that's this hello world. So you can see the dot upper made it upper, and then the actual course, when we print it out, we have the actual value here. Okay, so let's try that out. So I'm going to insert a cell below, then I'm going to, let's say, course equals bring the quotation, then let's say French. Okay, so let me print it first. Print into bracket course. Okay, so we have the same value here. Now we want to make the French all the alphabets in uppercase. So print into bracket course. We put a dot, then hit the tab key and see what's okay. So I hit the tab key, it's giving me what I can do here. Let's see. Okay, so you can see it gave me, so I'm going to choose upper. Okay, let's print it out. So you can see it's made it uppercase French. Okay, so you can do lower. So it's made everything lowercase. Okay, let's try something else here to insert cell below, and then let's just copy this, Control C, and paste it here, Control V, and then we want to test if this is lower. So let's just take this. So print to bracket course. Let's hit the tab key, and then let's see something here. It's lower. Okay, click is lower, then bring the parentheses, and let's print. Okay, so true, our French here is in lower case, so it gave us the boolean true. Okay, so test if string is lowercase. And then let's try. Okay, so you can also, if is dot is upper. Okay, so let's say let's go to the other one. So here we want to find the index position of u. Okay, so let's just print 4. Okay, so let's say 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, why is it 4? Okay, so this should be noted here that Python starts numbering or indexing is starting from 0. So 0, the C0, the O here is 1, the M here is 2, and then the P here is 3, and then the U here is 4. And that's why it printed U as 4. Okay, so U is in the index position of 4. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try that out. I'm going to insert a cell below, and then let's find the index position of U. So here we want to, so let me say J equals J. Okay, so let's print into bracket J dot find. So we want to find the index position of let's say Y. Okay. So what do you think it will be? So for me, 0, 1, 2. So the Y position or index position of Y should be 2. Okay, so let's print it out and see. Y0 must be a string, not bool. Okay, so the type error here is in line 2. Okay, so Y. Okay, so must be a string, not bool. Okay, so we need to bring the quotation here. Okay, because this is what we are looking for, Y. So 3. Okay, so 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so because of the space here, it counted the space here, so I'm going to take it out. And then let's print it back. Okay, so we have 2 here. Okay, so 0, 1, 2. So the index position of Y is 2. So take note of the space here. So let me try adding 2 spaces and let's see what will print. So it gave us 4. So you can see, so you should take note of spacing here. Now we have 2. So 0, 1, 2. So the index position of Y is 2 using the find method here. Okay. Okay, so here we have the replace method. So here R equals all for U. So print R dot replace 4 and then 4. So we want to replace the 4 here with the number 4. So all for U. Okay. And then when we did this, okay, we have all for U. So let's try one out. Okay. So I equals Python. Sorry, I'm bringing quotation. Yes. Python for all. Okay. So let's print, and then we want to change the 4 here to 4, the number 4. So print into bracket I dot replace into bracket 4 and then comma 4. Okay, so let's print it and see. So now we have Python for all. Okay, so using this method replace. Okay, so to get more, you can just hit the tab key just right in front of the dots, and then you can find more things that you can do. Now, so lastly, let's try this searching if something is in a string. Okay, so name here equals add her name as root. So print add in name. So we are trying to find if this add is in this variable name or variable name. Okay, so this whole string, we want to find if add is part. Okay, so print add in name. So we have true because add is in name. Okay, so let's try it out. So insert cell below. So let's say M equals hello everyone. Here, everyone here. So print bracket to find out if here is in here. So here in M. So true. So here is in so we have here in the string. Okay, and that's why you have the boolean true. Okay, so that should be it for these methods. Thank you.